We're really excited to be collaborating with INEOS Britannia's engineering team. The America's Cup showcases a perfect blend of performance sports and cutting-edge technology. As a technical partner, we are supporting the team by providing them with innovative products and solutions to maximize the performance of the race boat. We also share our expertise in position encoders, additive manufacturing process control, and Raman spectroscopy. Together, these technologies are crucial in their bid to win the 2024 America's Cup.
So the America's Cup is the oldest sporting trophy in the world. It's a sailing competition as well as a technical challenge. So engineering is a key element of winning the America's Cup. Usually only the fastest boat win. And to make a fast boat, we need to make a light boat, and additive manufacturing allows us to strip weight out of an engineered part.
Electronic systems used to be an afterthought and now are core to the safety of the crew effectively. So Renishaw is a valued partner because they have so much horsepower behind them. We are pretty fluid in our cockpit designs and the sailor requests and trying to integrate that into the machine. And with Renishaw, they're able to react really quickly and customise electronics to suit our needs.